It's a nail right here. So, look, just for that reason right there. If y'all don't want the laws to mess with y'all when y'all got a little situation going on, go ahead and throw them headlights on, bro. You see, but I'm honest with it, bro. I got a real problem going on. As y'all can see, you know, I done had to patch up my tires, so my tires been leaking, you know, constantly. I've been having to get air, you know, throughout the day, more than 2 times a day usually, depending on how much I be moving, whatever. And you know, I just finally had the time today, you know, to go ahead and patch it up. So now I'm just trying to go a little bit under 60, you know what I'm saying? Just go all the way. I got like one more exit to go to, and then finna go ahead and get some air put up in there. But as y'all seen, after I patched it up, you know, I poured some more dishwashing liquid on there. It didn't bubble up no more, so that's good. And yeah, now we finna go ahead, you know, as y'all seen, the meter was only at like 4, so we finna air it up. Remote. As y'all see, man, that's just a little something right there, little tire patch up, you know what I'm saying? I'll charge about a good 60 for that service, you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen the work.